Look at that. And can I even get that on there? It's a little dumbbell. How cute is that? Oh, it's a snowman. Oh, it's a googly eyes. Oh my God. People at the beach are probably going, why is she on her hands and knees with her butt up in the air? Because that's what us rockhounds do, right? Rock on. Howdy, rockhounds. Tonight we're going to do a little bit of sunset rockhounding along the central coast of California. Let's go. Woohoo. Oh, wait, hang on. Let's go. So let's see what we can find while we're waiting for the sun to go down. I hope you can see. Look at all these beautiful jaspers. Red and yellow, green. Let me get my squirt bottle. It'd be nice if I turn it so I can squirt. Oh, look at these. Gosh, never disappoints here. Look at that. Looks like it's got some epidote in there. Don't you think? Or maybe it's serpentine? I don't know. I can never tell. Jade Cove is up that way. Way up around the corner. I have yet to try it because it's a treacherous hill down there and I'm too old for that. But anyway, it is what it is. So, what was I going to say? Anyway, so let's see. We've got that rock. Oh, hey, look. We got a moonstone, as they like to call them here, Chalcedony. I hope you can see that. That is so cool. I could just leave it like that, you know? This could be the sun, and then that's the reflection on the water. Just leave it like that. We don't need that. Just have a rock sun. Okay, I'm gonna keep that one. Yep. Where's my bag? Get over here, bag. Keeper. Little one bites dust. Get in better light. We're doing this by sunset, or almost sunset. I hope you can hear the ocean. It's absolutely wonderful. And it's not just a sandy beach, you know. Those are okay if you like those, but to me, I like them to have something of interest. Keep me occupied, like rocks, or tide pools, or seashells, or wood. You know, beachcombing. Sand is boring to me. That's just me. How about you? All right, help me find some rock. Oh, here's look. See this? It's like agate-like. Oh, nice. Chalcedony. There's some banding in there. Hope you can see it. I don't know what I'm gonna find. This might be a disappointing video, so you've been warned. Oh, here's another one. Look at that. Oh, another sun for the sunset. Rockhounding. Okay, scoot over here. Oh, look at that. It's a beautiful, like a rose quartz kind of. Huge moonstone agate pop out. What's the chance of that happening? Oh, hi, kelp. When I'm recording. It's usually after I turn it off. Look at these green rocks here. This is like when I moved back to, because I'm originally from California, and I came to the coast and I saw these green rocks, and that's what rekindled my love for rock hounding, with these green rocks here at this beach. William Randolph Hearst Memorial Viewpoint. Google it. Come here if you ever get the chance. There's hardly anybody here. There are some people here rock hounding, but it's usually pretty barren. Alright. Look at all these beautiful rocks. Cracks me up when I read the comments in the videos, and you know what? I do the same thing when I get home and I edit them. Oh my God, I missed this rock. Oh my God, I missed that rock. Or she didn't pick up this rock. Oh no. She should have got that one on the right. It was a beautiful red or green. And I'm like, I'm sorry. Sometimes the light is hard to see, you know, when I'm getting. Look at the different reds in this. Sorry, I just noticed that again. Look at that. Beautiful. And the sunset is making the light so it'd be easier to see if you can find agates, because they would be backlit Will that happen when I'm recording? Oh, who knows. Got some remnants of seaweed there that's glowing. It's not an agate. Oh, there's some glass that needs to tumble some more. Look at that one. That's a beauty. Gotta get better light. That's beautiful. Gray and brown. Reminds me of a little bit of El Capitan, the colors, but enhanced because this is wet. That's a keeper. Like the, oh, look at this. That's a beauty. Very nice. One thing that's really nice about rock hounding, oh, there's one. You see it right there? Right there, smack in the middle. Okay, let's get it. Look at that! Woohoo! It's rock hounding along the beach, and they were already wet. You don't really need your squirt bottle. Alright, I want to find some bigger rocks. Oh, look at that! Right there. Okay, it might not be the right angle for you to see that. Okay. Trying to line it up. Here we go. Woo, look at that! Woo-hoo-hoo. That's pretty cool. Can't tell if it's clear or not, so you know. Okay, in the bag it goes. Pull up. Oh, there's one. You see it? Look at that! Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. Here we go. Oh, it's so hard to get the. Anyway, you get the idea, I hope. There you go. Moonstone agate. Okay, I moved over here to some bigger rocks. See if I can find some different stuff. And I did. Look at this thing. Black, brown. I just got it wet. Wow, that's very interesting. It feels good in the hand. It's nice and smooth, hard. You know what? It looks like it's sandstone, but it's not. It doesn't feel porous. It doesn't feel like the water is staying on the surface. It's not being absorbed. So, I'm going to put that in there and see if I can tumble it perhaps someday. But man, look at those colors even without the squirt bottle. Oh, look at this black one. What? Wow, of all the times I've been here, I've never seen one like that. What the heck? Look, black sun, black hole sun. You know that song? That's cool. What the heck? Now that is awesome. Is there any more? Wait, what's this? Look at that. That's awesome. I might have to keep those just because they're so smooth. Oh, it's like a worry stone. Oh, worries. Take my worries away. Ah! Hey, go back here. Thank you. That's awesome. Nice. Oh, and you look so nice in the sunset. Yes, you do. What's this? Ooh, that's nice. Get it wet. Make it even better. Nice. Oh, gray. And then the jasper. Oh, that's different. I like that. That's really cool. Very nice. Look at that. Nice. Oh, look. Another little moonstone, quote unquote. There you go. Cool. That mist is coming in. There's the sun. Beautiful day. I've been here pretty early this morning, actually. Oh, I thought I saw another rock. Black rock, I mean. Oh, look, another black rock. So interesting. I'm gonna have to keep that. Look at the greens in there. I hope it shows up as green on there. Oh, there's one right there in the middle. You see it? Get it wet first. Nice. Yeah, that's a keeper. Look at that. It's got inclusions in it. There you go. Come on. I have no idea if it's focused or not. But you get the idea. Hi, son. Look at this cool rock. And the kelp. Look at that. The kelp here is so different than I'm used to up in Washington State, where I lived most of my life. Plus a little bit in Alaska. Look at this. It's just a quartz rock, but look at that. Black in it. Basalt, I guess. I'm totally guessing. Correct me if I'm wrong. Of course, that won't be transparent, but woohoo! That's beautiful. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take that home and tumble it. That'll be pretty. Polish it up. In the bag you go. I do see a piece of glass. Ugh. Oh, I do see one. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Don't laugh at me. Okay, see the sun. It's helping backlight this one. And there's a piece of glass. You see it? Glass. Focused or not, there's glass. Cool. People at the beach are probably going, why is she on her hands and knees with her butt up in the air? Because that's what us rockhounds do, right? Rock on! Of course, I turn my cell phone off. That's when I always find rocks. Do you see this? Right there in the center? The sun helps you find them. If you have the sun, which we do for just a few more minutes before it sets. That iridescent pearlesque color. Wow. Nice. Oh, there's another. Here's like a rosy colored one. Here, let's show you. Okay, that color outside doesn't really look like it. There you go. You can see it? Pretty neat. I know the light's really bad right now because obviously the sun's going down. Duh! Okay. Sunset rock hounding. Here's one. Here's something. A little agate. Here you go. Clear agate. Where did it go? There it is. See that right there in the center? Ooh. Let me see if I can grab it. Jeez. Right there. Pluck. Oh, what? It's like a dumbbell. Wait a minute. Do you see that? Okay, do you see that? Now I'm going to hold it up to the sun. What the heck? Ugh. Ugh. Okay, sorry. Just keeping it real. It's on my hands and knees. Oh my gosh. I'm not editing that out either. Look at that. And can I even get that on there? It's a little dumbbell. How cute is that? Oh, it's a snowman. Oh, it's a googly eyes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. I have never seen one like that. Awesome. Let's have another look at the beach during sunset with all the rocks. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And my husband's up there making dinner. So it's time for me to go. But the rocks. No, I don't want to leave the rocks. No. Oh, woohoo! We can just take a minute here to appreciate the sunset. Look at that.